And so Jefferson does make a difference. And the difference Jefferson makes, to repeat the title of our episode today, is to inscribe for American posterity a lasting fiction, a mythology, that race, and not condition, is the differentiating factor. And we have been debating this myth. We have been debating this fiction ever since, in order to determine who among American citizens has the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Given this fact, what do we do? What can we do with notes on the state of Virginia? After we have meditated on its contradictions, its inconsistencies, its equivocations, after we have condemned and dismissed the pseudoscientific thinking, what is left? Can anything be salvaged for our times from Jefferson's thought? One thing we haven't yet mentioned is that the subtitle of our podcast series is Jefferson Beyond Jefferson. We take this subtitle from the political theorist Michael Hart, whom we quote at the beginning of this episode. Hart makes a critical point in his essay, Jefferson and Democracy. There he says, "There are times when the project of a philosopher breaks down and needs to be carried beyond where it was left." Hart then urges us to carry Jefferson's thought beyond its own limitations, beyond Jefferson's limitations. As we have seen in this episode, those limitations are legion. Those limitations abound. But there is at least one place in Query 14 where the project breaks down and simultaneously opens an opportunity for us to extend it beyond the break, to make it live again, to move it beyond its limitations. And this clip comes from our conversation with John O'Brien and Brad Pasanik. And it actually takes us back to one of those moments of rupture in Jefferson. There are always these moments of rupture. He's moving along quite dispassionately in a detached tone, and then suddenly, seemingly out of nowhere, comes this very passionate language.